Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to review if conditions and comparison operator, namely AND, in one example in 1 minute. So first of all, we are going to ask the user to enter their age. We are going to use the input function and we're going to convert the input information from the user into an integer, because when we use the input function, it is by default a string. We need to convert it to integer to make a numerical comparison. Then all of this is assigned to a variable called age. After that, we are going to ask the user using the input function, do you have an account? Yes or no. So whatever the user is going to enter, we are going to store it in has account variable. Then we check if the age of the user is larger than or equal to 18, and at the same time the person says that they have an account, we can print access granted, otherwise access denied. Thanks for watching.